Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today's tutorial is gonna be an Instagram tutorial, and in this video I would like to show to you how to create Instagram highlight. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your Instagram application, and whenever you open it, you need to jump into your profile. So there will be like 5 sections here, so you just need to jump into the right part of your screen in the style side, and after that you just need to click it, and here is your profile. So in the profile there will be a plus button right after an edit and share profile here. So you just need to go click this, and you just need to choose which your old story that you want to put into the highlight. For example, you want to put this, and this, and whenever you're done you just need to go click next. You just need to create the name of the highlight. For example, if you don't want to have a test, just go at the emoticon there, and after you're done you just need to go click add. And here you go, you already have a highlight right in your profile. So that's the way how to create highlight on Instagram, guys. Hopefully this tutorial is help you so well, so don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.